I'm the customer for what I create or develop or get from Mathematica. The product is so discoverable. It is so easy to get in, get something, and if you don't get what you want, to change it enough to get what you're really looking for, that it's really remarkable. If we were going to compare 5 treatments in an experiment, and we were interested in allowing one of the treatments to be investigated twice, so we could call them A, B, C, D, E, and one of them is repeated, then over 6 experiments we can test each of the treatments and one of them once. It's a quick question, but how many possible sequences are there of 5 different objects with one repeated? Now, you can do that question quickly with a line of Mathematica code. And that's the kind of question that I might walk up to it with. Now, sure, you could probably also figure that out with a calculator if you're a clever person, and in fact, you could figure it out with a pencil and paper if you're a clever person. And it wouldn't take that long, but after you've asked the question with Mathematica of 5 treatments, 1 repeated, now ask yourself, well, what if we only did 5 experiments? How many combinations can I choose? How many ways can I choose 5 of 6 where 1 is repeated and I've taken out the duplicates? Or make it even more complicated. I'm going to have 5 treatments, repeat each of 2 twice, and I'm only going to do 4 experiments. How many possible sequences are there? These are just examples of finite mathematics or combinatorics, and again, all very easily and quickly answered if you have a computer that you can talk to as efficiently as you can with something like Mathematica. And they're all relevant to experimental design decisions. Each experiment costs you X thousand dollars, and you have to decide how many of the possible sequences you want to explore, and as you get more complicated questions to ask, you're interested in whether in the overall results you'd have from such an experiment you can assess the comparisons of treatments that you want, or assess the carryover from one experiment into another, and so on. And you get to reuse the investment you make in how to use Mathematica across a wide variety of disciplines. If you feel comfortable using the product to make music, you may feel comfortable using the product to do statistics, or combinatorics, or differential equation solving, or vice versa. If you feel comfortable using, ND-solve, you may feel comfortable, using the music functionality in Mathematica. And I think that's fun. I think that extends the range and the breadth of the product, into a variety of areas. It feels like it's universally applicable. It feels like something that you could, always count on you. It's the ultimate intellectual Swiss Army knife.